mounting direction, FOB mounting flange, and reorienting the FOB. The Micromatic Pro Max FOB has fixed beer inlet and beer outlet tubes. However, the wall mount flange can be easily reversed to enable the inlet and outlet to be located in opposite directions. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the two screws under the FOB that secure the FOB to the wall mount flange. Remove the flange. Remove each of the screws completely. The reset knob port is changed by first removing the plastic plug on the opposite side of the body. To remove the reset knob, pull the knob out as far as possible. Loosen locking nut by turning counterclockwise until nut is completely free from FOB body. Stem assembly can be removed by pulling straight out of FOB body. Please note that the FOB has user instruction labels on both sides of the body. Flip the FOB body to orient the inlet and outlet port to the desired direction. Reinsert the stem assembly into the body and tighten the locking nut securely. Replace the plastic port plug into the open port side. Securely tighten. Insert and thread the wall mounting flange screws into the bottom of the FOB where the mounting flange will be located. Leave the screws loose. Please note the flange can be inverted to the direction convenient to mounting. Locate the wall mounting bracket onto the screws and tighten securely.